Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to test your oxygen sensor. First, gather your essential tools: a reliable digital multimeter, an oxygen sensor wrench, and important safety glasses. Always locate the sensor in your vehicle, typically in the exhaust system, before starting any work. Crucially, make sure the engine is completely cool before touching anything, preventing potential burns. This simple preparation ensures your safety and a smooth process. Before diving into electrical tests, conduct a quick visual inspection. Look for any frayed wires, cracks, or loose connectors around the sensor housing. Once that's done, start your engine and let it run until it reaches its normal operating temperature. This warm-up ensures the sensor is active and ready to provide accurate readings, which is a vital step. Now, let's check the heater circuit. Disconnect the oxygen sensor's electrical connector and set your digital multimeter to measure direct current voltage. Probe the heater circuit wires within the connector. A healthy heater circuit should consistently show approximately 12 volts. If you read significantly less or no voltage, the heater circuit may be faulty, impacting sensor performance. With the sensor reconnected, we can test its signal output. Backprobe the signal wire with your multimeter, ensuring a good connection without damaging the wire. Observe the voltage fluctuations as the engine idles. A healthy oxygen sensor will rapidly cycle between 0.1 volts and 0.9 volts, indicating proper fuel mixture monitoring. Consistent readings outside this range signal an issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.